Hello from Minnesota's highest rated Kia dealership, Lupient Kia in Brooklyn Park. The cold weather is here, so what better time to get your hands on a heated steering wheel inside of a new Kia. We keep one of every model here for you to test drive. Telluride, Sorento, Carnival, K5, Nero, Forte, even the all-new 2023 Sportage is here and ready for a test drive. The best way to get your hands on a new Kia is to visit our website and schedule a VIP test drive with one of our product specialists. Pick a day and time that works best for you and we'll have the car or SUV of your choice pulled up and ready for your arrival. After your test drive, we'll go to work and get your new Kia on its way. Now here's Howard to tell you about some of this month's specials.
Season's greetings to all. I'm Howard with Lupient Kia of Brooklyn Park. And this month, Kia has a gift for you, the updated 2023 Telluride. Since its debut, the Kia Telluride has been setting new standards for its class year over year. This year, the engineers at Kia have set a whole new standard with this update. Updates on the 2023 Telluride include 2 new trims, X-Line and X-Pro, updated exterior stylings including headlights, and Kia's signature dual panoramic infotainment displays. Stop in or give us a call to reserve yours today.
Visit Lupient Kia, located next to Walmart in Brooklyn Park, or online at lupientkia.com.